Open one meeting up on time.
Papa, you're welcome, man.
Thank you.
You said you wanted to see me. Hello.
Yes. Chidera, what I came to tell you is very important. You know, it's been some time now that I lost your mother. Hey! I have been managing the boredom, managing the loneliness, living alone. But you know, I just thank God that I have you all. So a lot of times I don't get to feel it. But right now, I have decided to remarry. Hey! Yes.
I don't understand though. Chasing Mwake Bananka.
Asimo.
It's quite understandable. You a man who blood runs in your vein. I understand. But if you ask me, I would suggest if you need a woman, I can arrange a very sweet girl for you. You understand? How do I get pete? You understand? Get your not a marriage. Marriage is a whole of expenses. In a
You mean at this my age I will begin to carry hooks? That will not happen. I have decided to settle down, to remarry again, so that I can at least, you know, I can live like a man. Now, no. Chidera.
It's obvious that you've made up your mind. If you go where God do, you know what you want. You understand? You're a man, you're my father. I cannot disrespect you. So, Kevin Hokwan, the widow, where did you see the widow? I understand every widow deserves a widower.
A widow, a widower. This is my Cinderella.
Who is this man?
This is the woman I intend to marry.
Guys, you see what your mouth cannot talk.
Sorry. Can you stand up?
Baby, we go.
Sit down.
Oh, Jesus.
Of all the widows, no one enter your eye. You get buru high class. But when I handle expenses, all these things will still fall on me. In a make and the one looking at you now is very active. Under 2 weeks now, you will get her pregnant. So you want to give birth before me. Jesus! No problem, Mr. Bade. It's obvious that you made up your mind. You understand? No problem. I will support you. But for the meantime, let me show you something. So, Father, this is Aka Force from Daily Lifesavers. These people have come to help us find the root of our problems medically. So this is Aka Force. It helps to make water alkaline. You know the kind of water you're drinking now is not like the one you used to drink when you were young. You understand? They treat water these days. So when you take enough water, it helps you to flush out some sicknesses from your system. But because of say they have treated the water, it will not be able to function as it used to. You understand? So that's why these people have come to help us get clean water. So under 90 days, you will see results. Your system will flush. It's okay. You used to complain that your health sometimes. Water has caused more harm than good these days. You understand? Take. You go to the Instagram handle and order another one. I will tag it for you.
Brother. Papa. Good evening, sir.
What are you not doing here with your box?
Brother, I and my husband have issues. Just meant to just stay and clear up my head.
You and your husband have issues. You ran to my house. Uloma wonana ark Noah. Here is Noah's ark where you run to when there's tribulation and thunderstorm. Small issues with your husband, you run to my house. Hey! Now why single mothers full everywhere? Child! But you're not sleeping here. So that you take your newfound love home. I will send you some transport so that Gene Kachuku will go home with you.
Jesus.
Papa, come. If you stay family house 1 week, you go clear your head fast. Papa, oh yeah now. Yeah. I will send you transport. Yeah, I will send you transport.
Thank you for the Akafos.
The pleasure is mine. Thank you, Daddy. Happy wedlock, sir. All right, sir. Oh yeah now. Uzoma. Your son now have money, you want to remarry. I know say that my money that gets for your pocket very much won't marry you. This one get you with the husband, run come my house. Plan on to calm down. Oh yeah, I don't follow.